Shark Tank India is a good teacher if you try to learn from there, but learn technicalities, what is being discussed there, not the so-called reality. I want to challenge AI to sell. बेच के दिखाओ एंड इंडियन को बेच के स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे कोशिश नहीं करोगे till that time you're not gonna grow. With what I was writing, I wrote a book which talks about only an individual to be your own salesman.
I'm Gautam Dukal and I am in second year pursuing BA program Economics plus Computer.
I am Tavis Gupta, first year student of Dayal Singh College pursuing BA History Honours.
And we would like to welcome you to ENSO Talks.
Thank you guys for a wonderful, exciting and interesting introduction. I will give it to your energy.
Sir, as we are students, so sir, how we can get the dedication that you have? हमारा तो ऐसा है सर कि कल कर लेंगे तो सर वो कल आज कैसे उसको बनाएं?
जब तक आपकी motivation, till the time your motivation will come out of people who are around you. Even if your motivation will come out of me, then I did not get anything out of my today's mission of coming here from Gurgaon and going back. If I can instigate that Agni within you, I hope you know what I'm trying to say. Anyone knows about there are a lot of places, right, जहाँ पे अग्नि रोज जलती रहती है, पता नहीं होता उसका स्रोत क्या है, from where it is starting, right? I'm talking about that start, right? If I can match that start within you and you don't even realize कि ये प्रफुल्ल करके गया था, ठीक है? उस दिन you will not give up. अभी मैं 4 शायरी बोल सकता हूँ, 4 चीजें कह सकता हूँ, but all that will end for a day or 2. Right? Valentine's week ऐसे ही चल रहा है. Right? So I will just say that what is required is to that instigation within you, and that will only come. अब लोग बोलेंगे that only comes when you have passion, when you have purpose in life. And then you find passion, purpose, everything in the way. What is important is to start, right? And to not give up. कि मैं start करूँगा फिर रुकूंगा भी नहीं. बुक माई पीजी से यूनिटी करूंगा, यूनिटी से सोचा कुछ और करूंगा, कुछ ना कुछ करता रहूंगा. आई नॉट स्टॉप. बट दैट इज व्हाट हैज टू स्टार्ट विद इन यू. उसको इंस्टिगेट कोई नहीं कर सकता, उसको इंस्टिगेट सिर्फ एक चीज कर सकती है. दैट इज व्हाट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट. वी आर शूटिंग द सेकंड एपिसोड. कांग्रेचुलेशन, यू गाइस हैव स्टार्टेड, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड अ स्टार्ट. यू विल नॉट स्टॉप. विल यू कीप ऑन डूइंग इट फॉर एवर? नो. आपने लगा दिया, अब वो जलती रहेगी. आज आप जलाओगे, कल कोई और जलाएगा. आज से 3 साल बाद यहाँ पे शार्क टैंक इंडिया में जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए वो नहीं आएंगे, यहाँ पे शार्क आएंगे, राइट? दैट इज शुड बी द विजन ऑफ दिस सोसाइटी टू टेक फॉरवर्ड. तो वो इंस्टिगेट लगा दी ना आपने, आग लगा दी, बस वो आग लगाने जरूरी.
Sir, I am certain that the team works around you is committed to the betterment of your startup. What do you personally look for in people when you hire them for your company?
I call them at odd hours for an interview. That is something I always do. Odd hours in the sense that I'll say that if they say, sir, let's keep an interview on X date, I'll say, nahi kar loga. Right? This is the time. Because I hire young people. I don't hire a person who has a family as such. I'm not saying that I'm biased, I don't hire them at all. But that is not my preference because startup needs a lot of dedication. There are a lot of youngsters who come to me and they sit for an interview and they sit and say, I say, what is your salary expectation? SRCC. 1 lakh per month. I laugh at it. Why? Sir, I'm SRCC. I don't care. You're asking a job from a Khalsa, right? So, like, keep this aside first. पहले इसको शोल्डर पे जो कैरी करो ना, इसको हटाओ साइड में. नाउ टेल मी, लाइक सर, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ मच कैन आई गेट? नथिंग. आता ही नहीं कुछ. सो आई लुक what is important in people, and that is a skill that first they are ready to learn, ठीक है, एक होता है रेडी टू लर्न है, ठीक है, आई गेट मेनी टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम पीपल सेइंग सर जस्ट एक महीना अपने साथ काम करा लो, जस्ट 1 month, ठीक है, आई डोंट वांट मनी. ओके फाइन, दैट इज फाइन, बट व्हाट इज योर मोटिवेशन? सर लर्निंग फ्रॉम यू. I said, it means starting something of your own later? They say yes. So that's great. But 18 घंटे दिन में काम करना पड़ेगा, 18 hours a day. Sir, I have college, sir. Sir, वो मेरे Saturday Sunday 18 hours. Sir, वो सोऊंगा, sir, वो सुबह college. Okay, fine, not possible. अगर अपना करना है तो उसमें 18 घंटे लगेंगे. अगर मेरा सिखाया हुआ स्टूडेंट 18 घंटे काम नहीं कर सकता तो वो अपना नहीं बना पाएगा, राइट? तो मैं उसे सिखाऊंगा क्यों? You can learn in my program, but to learn with working with me requires dedication, hard work. That even if I give you a call at night 12, you will take it and trust me. That's how I was when I was working. It's not that I have not worked anywhere. I backed the highest placement of Delhi University as well. That might come in the conversation. Every college do some research and they come up with those questions, but I will just say that I have put in those efforts and that is important to build business. So when I hire, I look for a person. मैं 18 घंटे किसी काम कराऊंगा नहीं यार, but मुझे जरूरी है कि वो उससे भागे ना. Got it? Thank you.
That's very nice, sir. सर अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपने शार्क टैंक का नाम लिया था, तो सर शार्क टैंक इज अ शो जिसने मतलब स्टॉर्म ला दिया है कंट्री के अंदर. तो आई वांट टू आस्क व्हाट आर योर ओपिनियंस ऑन दैट शो एंड कैन अ लेमैन रियली अंडरस्टैंड बिजनेस बाय वाचिंग सच शोज?
Only a layman can understand business by watching Shark Tank India. If there is any entrepreneur who is watching the show, with all due respect to all the sharks, if you're listening, right? If you're listening, I will just say it is good for the layman's. I will have to say it. No startup is able to raise fund in a 1-minute fancy pitch. So if you are understanding that, that is good. What you need to देखो, मेरे से अगर आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मैं एक क्वेश्चन खुद से पूछ लेता हूँ जो शायद आपके लिए, सर आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कौन है, राइट? दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन एवरीवन आस्क्स. आई से गुड डीड्स, गुड ट्रेट्स ऑफ मल्टीपल डिफरेंट पीपल, राइट? सो शार्क टैंक इज वन ऑफ दोज पीपल, राइट? आप समझ में आ रहे हैं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, राइट? सो शार्क टैंक हैज मल्टीपल थिंग्स टू टेक फ्रॉम देयर फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, फॉर बिजनेसमैन, फॉर इवन हु वांट टू बिकम एम्प्लॉयज. फर्स्ट इज every shark, no matter you the person, the participant is coming from IIT, IIM, etc. 10 years experience, 15 years experience. They always ask becha kitna hai. So what you need to first understand is that no matter what, if you run away from sales, you can't grow. That is one thing you need to learn as a skill. This I find lot of first year, second year college students running away. Running क्या मतलब, they are better than Usain Bolt running away from that. Right. So that is one. Right. Second take you have to take from there is that whenever you see any shark asking questions, the main learning is what questions they are asking, which you need to answer in your startup, right? Those questions, those kind of learnings are very important. But if you are taking inspiration from Shark Tank India कि यार कल ना मैं अपना startup लेकर Shark Tank India में जाना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ना अच्छा नाम चाहिए, my parents want name, then it is not Shark, then it is not what you're doing, right? Shark Tank India is a good teacher if you try to learn from there, but learn technicalities, what is being discussed there, not the so-called reality.
Okay, sir.
The reality which is going on, there आंसू चल रहा है, रोना चल रहा है, एक स्टार्टअप को फंड मिल गया, बालाकृष्णन को ये हो गया, गणेश जी को ये हो गया, ठीक है, there are 1000 things happening in the show, that is all fine, right? But what you need to understand is that the learning is what sharks ask as question, right? That is the major learning which you have taken from there, and how startups failed, succeeded, थोड़ा बहुत वो, because वो भी scripted होता है, as much as I feel. I can be wrong completely.
सर आपको मौका मिले आप जाओगे शार्क टैंक में?
नहीं, because the maximum funding which Shark Tank India individual episodes have given, I have crossed those levels, so I don't think so that I will be able to.
सर वी हैव सो मेनी यंगस्टर्स हियर, इनमें से कुछ लोग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनना भी चाहेंगे फ्यूचर में, बट दे ऑलवेज थिंक कि क्या करें, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू बिकम द एंटरप्रेन्योर?
Start. So the first step to, yeah, exactly. The first step to do entrepreneurship is to start. Okay, I'll give you a realistic example. Not even a week back, I got it. So one text I got 1 month back from for 2 students who have started one startup. Let me tell them Medify करके है. Medify they are, one is GGS person, one is SRCC. There are 2 students. So one texted me one day. I could not reply. I was in some session, and the other person texted me with a lot of research at night. 1 o'clock she knew I was online, right, on Instagram. She texted me online on Instagram, and I gave them a time for next day. Somehow I was traveling to Delhi that time, so I gave them a time. Again, if time fixing was a challenge, I was testing them. I gave them 3. Then at 12 o'clock I said, I knew that they can reach if they want to reach. I said 2:30. They reached at 2:50, right? So I was checking the dedication of both of them. They came in. So I will say, मैं आपको क्या करना चाहिए वो उनके एग्जाम्पल से समझाता हूँ. ठीक है? What did they do? They thought of getting all the maids together and they started helping people with this. So the only person who came to their mind was me, because मैंने PGs इकट्ठा करा, they got in maids, right? Very good idea, but somewhere capital will become a challenge, etc., etc. But what I saw that they started with 4 maids. I asked them a question, कि I can't see a MVP right now. They said, sir, we started to find MVP. We started to do the work to find MVP, right? And that is what I would like to say to all the college students who want to do a startup. You cannot do a startup with ₹1 crore in investment. And I find the idea of dropping college as the stupidest idea on earth. Now, for this, I am ready to take a challenge and a debate. Right? This I am saying without, this is not a Shark Tank question, right? And if anyone, even a shark, says that dropping college is good, I say no, that is stupid. That is the stupidest decision you will ever take. Don't drop college in any scenario, right? The people you see dropping college, even who studied at Harvard, they have done at least the undergraduation, right? They have achieved. You have to see the history, what they think before they drop. Their dropping becomes famous, right? So everyone is not that. You need to understand that, and to reach that level as a student entrepreneur, MVP होती है minimum viable product. You need to understand कि this is my product and this is how it will sell. हम बैठ के paper और planning बनाते हैं, but when it hits the real market, you see a completely different challenge, right? To get to understand that challenge, you have to make a minimum viable product to test in the market, right? And that testing in the market has to be done by you. तो मैं ये बोलूंगा कि think about considering it to be your future once the MVP has tested positive, right? That is when you can consider it going ahead in the future, and उसके बाद होती है असली start, right? उससे पहले क्या होता है? क्या 2 stages है ना, 2 starts हैं. एक किसकी start है? MVP बनाने की. दूसरी start है startup बनाने की, right? You have to take the first start. 2016 से 2017 वाली start मेरी. My start of 2016 to 2017 not known by people, but I was doing it. आज क्या चाहिए लोगों को? LinkedIn पे I am a founder CEO of XYZ, right? Trust me, it was in 2020 when I ever updated my profile as a CEO or a founder, when some of my mentors guided me that is how you have to run a company. Before that, it was just that मेरे को ये business करना है, right? Today, entrepreneurship have become more of a I am a founder of X, I am a founder of Y. And I'll tell you one easiest way to start your career. Do sell anything. T-shirt बेचना चालू कर दो, ठीक है? कुछ ना कुछ बेचना चालू कर दो. Start, because you will understand the integrities, the every single point of business, right? कैसे चलता है, and you will understand how much hard work it requires. वो सीखना बहुत important है. That's what I'll say.
We will surely consider that, sir.
Sir, as we are talking about college life, और हमने ये देखा कि यहाँ पे काफ़ी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनना चाहते हैं, काफ़ी सभी लोगों के पास, कुछ लोगों के पास बिजनेस प्लान्स भी हैं, बट दे फेस वन प्रॉब्लम दैट हाउ दे विल अप्रोच द इन्वेस्टर्स इनिशियली, या अपने स्टार्टअप के लिए फंड कहाँ से लाएं. तो हाउ कैन वी डील विद दिस प्रॉब्लम इन दिस कॉलेज लाइफ?
So first you need an MVP ready. As I said, your MVP needs to be ready to pitch any investor, right? And after that, when you pitch an investor, the best way to pitch an investor is through LinkedIn. अपने marketer खुद बन जाओ. Talk about your product on LinkedIn. Now people want the response in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. That will not happen. It will happen over a period of time. Got it? I have cash flow positive business which I am running, owning 100% of them. But it's not that I have never pitched an investor. I pitched 3 investors One of them was a VC, second was even bigger than a VC, I will say. The VC I was pitching, the other person was bigger than, individually bigger than the VC, right? And third was a group of 7-8 people, right? In my first meeting, I was able to get an approval and a term sheet from all of them, right? But I didn't raise money because I understood that running this show, what I am running, is more. Every business doesn't require investment. That's what I'm trying to say. Mine doesn't require investment. I have always grown business from 0 rupees. मैं आगरा से आया था, मेरे कुछ पैसे थोड़ी थे, मतलब to start even book my PG, I took black and white photocopies and started. College में walk करके जाता था. If you think that I had money at that time, zero. I used to walk to college because I was so calculative with my decisions कि college जाना and वापस आना 10-20 रुपए हो गए, right? 20 rupees means close to 15-20 pamphlets, right? And that's how I invested my money. वहां से निकाल के यहाँ पे लगाया, right? Started giving me returns. That is how I made a startup, yeah. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So no one is going to give you money on the day one. Forget that. And in today's market, forget that at all. The startups you see which raise money before they start the business are founded by people who have bought, sold at least 2-3 startups. That's what you need to understand.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is, if we want to start a business, so sir हमें किसी ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में घुसना चाहिए जो ऑलरेडी चल रही है, या फिर अपना एक नया आइडिया लेके आना चाहिए? क्योंकि नया आइडिया लाना सर बहुत मुश्किल है. ऐसा क्या है जो अभी तक किसी ने नहीं बनाया?
कुछ नहीं. So there is nothing जो किसी ने नहीं बनाया हो. First of all, you guys need to understand there are 2 kind of startups. One is innovative startup and one is imitative startup. Okay. So imitative startup is, for example, you can say Flipkart is an imitation of Amazon. Now you will say no, it is first in India. Fine. That's also, so you found a gap कि Indian market meet नहीं कर पा रहा है. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? You want to learn? I'll give you a very simple learning because those who are listening as well and watching as well should also get some value out of it. Unique solution to a unique problem, right? Or we can say solution to a unique problem. एक प्रॉब्लम है उसका मैंने एक यूनिक प्रॉब्लम है उसका मैंने सोल्यूशन निकाला, राइट? दैट इज Amazon फॉर अस, राइट? बट बिल्डिंग अ यूनिक सोल्यूशन टू एन ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ड प्रॉब्लम, right? Already solved by Amazon but could not solve it in India, so I brought Flipkart, right? Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So Flipkart became imitative but Amazon became innovative, but are both of them successful? Yes, right? You need to understand, if you come to me and say, Praful, you have a community of students which focus on placement training per se and personality development, networking skills and USP is live training. Let me copy you and make a similar startup. You need to understand the USP of Unity is me, right? I am the person who's the face who's taking the session. Unity became big because I started teaching, right? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So to copy Unity, you need to create someone like me, or you need to become like me to teach, and then gain the trust of the students. Then only you will be able to grow. So what I'm trying to say is, आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आप किसी भी बिजनेस में एंटर करो, you need to create one thing is unique about you. Maybe not the solution, maybe not the problem. Your unique selling point is different. You have to have a unique selling point to make a business out of anything, right? If you don't have it, you might die someday because other person might spend more money, etc., and gain your market. But that will not happen if you have a USP and you have created a business with a unique solution.
Got it, sir.
So where did you see Unity in next training?
I always say this when every child is born, the mother says, I will put him in Unity. So you will say, क्या ये college है, क्या ये school है? It's a network to, okay, so I will tell you a story to answer this question. I was in Agra, so guys, I stay in a, I used to stay in a 2-room apartment. We used to stay in a 2-room apartment. Today my house has 4 rooms empty. So I bought a house for my parents on their 25th anniversary. So one day one of my relatives came home and he asked a question to me because बहुत time बाद उन्हें मैं आगरा में मिला हूँ, right? Because I'm mostly when I go I come back in a day. He said, बेटा तू करता क्या है? Right? What do you do? मैं पढ़ाता हूँ. ऐसा कैसे पढ़ाता है? Yeah,
मतलब टीचर कि सर मैं ऑनलाइन पढ़ाता हूँ, अच्छा ठीक है, पर तब भी ये कैसे हो सकता है? उन्हें किसी को बुक माई बीजी समझ में आता है, किसी को यूनिटी समझ नहीं आया, ठीक है, एंड बिकेम फार बिगर देन बुक माई बीजी. आई टेल यू व्हाई. Unity focus is very simple. You are select only. Like if you are coming today to take my placement training, you don't see Unity doing marketing in colleges. Daily जाके marketing नहीं करता है. Yes, please. Yeah. Yes. So. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, guys. You need to understand this very clearly. We focus on placement training. If I have to do placement training, I want 50 students. Can you hear me, everyone? Yes. Okay. If I want 50 students, right? 50 students are already there for a fair batch. I don't require to do marketing. Now you will say, you don't take 100 students. That's where the game lies. I don't take 100 students. I only take 50. And not from a Delhi university, but from India. So those 50 seats are always occupied, right? I have 5-6 programs with 50 seats in a month, right? So you need to understand that Unity is a outcome based in business. It's not a business which is just helping a person कि थोड़ा सा skill सीख लो. If you are into my community, until and unless you get a placement, मैं तुम्हें poke करता रहूँगा. भाई आज LinkedIn पे पर्सनल ब्रांड बनना है, आज 4 पोस्ट डालो, ठीक है. अब आप बोलोगे कि हमने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के तो ज्यादा लोग नहीं देखे. आपके पास एक चिप इन द शोल्डर है कि हम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी है. देयर इज अ चिप ऑन योर शोल्डर, आई एम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. यू रियलाइज दिस व्हाट इज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ऑन द थर्ड ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज. इन थर्ड ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज यू गो एंड सिट इन द प्लेसमेंट. द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ एवरी सोसाइटी विल गेट द प्लेसमेंट, ठीक है. एवरीवन एल्स विल सिट एंड थिंक ये क्या हुआ, राइट? दे हैव एन इंपैक्ट यार, मतलब उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज करा होता है. एंड एवरीवन यू रियलाइज एट दैट टाइम की the percentage which Bain and Company and Cumming is saying is that you should be above 6 to 6 sit in the placement. अब वो 6 की क्रॉस है, then everyone is equal. If it is crossing 6, everyone is equal for them. They are not bothered whether you have a 9.7 CG, but that is important to go to Harvard. But for going to Harvard as well, you require a 5 years of experience. Now चाहे MIM कर लेंगे, I said shortcut के लिए टाइम नहीं है. MBA करने की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं मास्टर्स इन मैनेजमेंट की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am talking about MBA, right? Really going to Harvard, right? So what does that require? That requires डिफरेंट स्किल. मैं क्वेश्चन को बहुत आगे ले गया हूं, बट अगेन आई एम इन इंडस्ट्री ऑफ डेवलपिंग आउटकम. अगर मैं आया हूं तो जब तक किसी एक में चिंगारी नहीं लगी है तो मेरे को जाने का मन नहीं करेगा, राइट? और वो पता नहीं कहां बैठा है जिसको चिंगारी लग रही है, वो शायद ऐसे सुन रहा है बस, उसको जाए, दैट पर्सन इज लिसनिंग एंड दैट थिंग इज रिवॉल्विंग एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट, राइट? उसे लग रहा है कि आज तो बदल गया मेरा दिन, ठीक है. जैसे मैं डेट्स बोल रहा हूँ, वो बोलेगा आगे जाके 9th February 2023, my life changed. So that, and sitting here. So that's what I want. So Unity is an outcome-based business. So my focus is when every child is born, post 10 years, the mother will say, मैं इसको Unity में डालूंगी, because it's a place where you develop what a lot of people could not develop in so many years. First personality, then your network, then backup placement, right? So it's a journey of hard skill plus soft skills, but only in a live training. If you're interested in generating a certificate, please go to Coursera. That's all.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is, next question you want to ask?
So, what are your views on AI? Is it going to replace manpower?
I want to ask one question. I'm going to ask this question even on LinkedIn in a few days. I want to challenge AI to sell. बेच के दिखाओ, एंड इंडियन को बेच के दिखाओ. When we get a call to our electric bill service ना, कृपया हिंदी के लिए एक दबाइए, उसके लिए 2 बार आपके, तो पहले दबाने दो, बाद में बात करेंगे. ये स्लो, राइट? That's what we all do. AI can replace multiple skills. See, any repetitive work which is done in a similar manner can be replaced. For example, CFA कितना करना है यहाँ पे? Anyone who is up for chartered financial analyst? Yes, एक है. चलो ठीक है. और कौन? ACCA, MBA. Okay guys, ठीक है. So वैसे नेशनल रिलेटेड है इंडिया का MBA. या सो व्हाट आई वांट टू, मैं इसलिए मैंने सोचा उस पे जाते पहले एंड में.
So what I want to say is any repetitive work, no matter what, will be replaced by AI. For example, content creation can be replaced by AI, but copywriting cannot. Copywriting cannot be replaced by AI. आप बोलोगे copy.ai से कर लो, आप उससे कर लो, मैं करता हूँ, फिर देखते हैं कौन जीतता है, right? I am saying anything which requires exclusivity, you will win when you will be different, right? That cannot be replaced by AI, right? Any repetitive work, for example, financial analysis में एक report है. अगर 4 reports, if 4 reports are going in a system with BCG, right? अगर हम BCG का example लें, उसके पास हर रोज इतना data आ रहा है. And the data is being read, and if the same information is required, which is driven by A plus B plus C is equal to D, then A plus B plus C कितना भी बड़ा हो जाए, छोटा हो जाए, twisted हो जाए, that will be done better by AI. So you need to, I'll tell you one thing, in the future lies where you find doing things which are unique, which cannot be done in a similar manner again and again. Every customer is different, selling to every customer is different, marketing to every customer is different. I know a lot of you will be shocked when I tell you this. Go and pick up 10 years record of IIM Ahmedabad. You will find one thing, or all the IIMs as an average. You will find one thing: the placements per placement and the number of placement will be higher. The package will be higher in marketing, and the amount will also be higher in the number of people placed will be higher as well. Why? Because it requires exclusivity. It cannot be replaced by AI ever. But data analytics, ठीक है, these are all roles which are growing, but आप देखोगे थोड़े टाइम में replaced by AI. मतलब आज अगर चैट जीपीटी कर सकता है ना कंटेंट, आप सोचो वो कंटेंट कर रहा है, डेटा नंबर करना कितना इजी होने वाला है उनके लिए. बट डूइंग एनीथिंग which requires change every time to make it better will not be done better by AI. We cannot be done by AI. But that's what a lot of people say. मतलब I have also seen a lot of people talking about this, that we challenge AI to do things which is different, and that's where your future lies. And trust me, 5 साल में अब ना, AI is not 10 years down the line, right? It's there, it's here currently, right? We are being listened, we are being tracked, we are being understood, our voice is being understood, right? To create data points, to create results, but those results cannot be the one which requires uniqueness. They are one which makes your work easy, right? So the back-end jobs are gonna go, the front-end jobs are gonna have more competition. Fierce personalities will, and that's what you need to do, create personality.
Definitely, sir.
Sir, I want to ask, I read a quote in your book that life is not once, ऐसे करके सर कोई quote था.
You live life.
You live
twice,
life once.
One before making mistake and one after.
Yeah. So sir, my question is related to this. Everyone makes some good decisions and bad decisions in life. If you are comfortable, you can tell us any bad decision you made and you are still regretful for it.
You bought my book.
Sir, I saw it on Amazon.
You saw it on Amazon. Interesting. Yes. Good है. मतलब मैंने इसीलिए question पूछा because my book is read by people who have, मतलब this is what I have seen again, who have met me once. मतलब those who have talked, who have understood what I do, then they read. I cannot make a reel यार कि internship यहाँ से मिलती है 50. Seriously मुझे ना हो नहीं पाएगा. इंटरनेट पे बहुत पड़ा है, right? बहुत material. I can do things which are similar by people, right? एक ने डाला चैट जीपीटी करा, सबने डाला चैट जीपीटी करा. एक ने डाला अडानी यूजर इनबॉक्स, सबने डाला अडानी यूजर इनबॉक्स. I can't do that, right? So what I'm trying to say here is why I said that you live life twice. One is before making a mistake, one is after, right? So what I'm trying to tell you all is पहले आपको अपने लिए समझना है, फिर मैं अपनी बता दूंगा, ठीक है? कि हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, when we make a mistake, give up कर देते हैं. जो मैंने आपको बता दिया, आपको नहीं करना है, right? What I've seen in people is that they make a mistake and sometimes we don't realize our mistake. हमारे दो parts होते हैं, one is outside, one is inside. Inside knows we are wrong. The outside knows चलता है, right? That चलता है ना brings us down. मैं बस ये बोलना चाह रहा था, ठीक है? एक और चीज. Now what you need to understand, if you are asking me what has been my one of the worst mistakes, if that is the question, सच्ची याद नहीं है यार, मतलब I don't remember any such right now. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. I do mistakes more than I do good things. So one big mistake I made is, okay, so I'll tell you this. In my 3 years of college, once I completed college, I had savings of more than higher number of tens of lakhs, right? More than 50 lakhs, right? And I invested all of it, like 80% of it together in Book My PG when I left my job. So do you guys have a question related to my job or not? Should I speak on it right now?
You can speak.
Okay. So, post completing my Delhi University, Book My PG was a seasonal business. I bagged the highest placement of Delhi University at Ashimara Housing, and I became the head of sales there. I was even interviewed by the CEO of the company. I left the job in 4 months. Reason was I have very good relations with them. The only problem was me, and my problem was that I can't work for anyone. Well, I can't work for salary. If there is some variable inputs in my salary far more, then I can work, otherwise not. I need to have the ownership of the things. When I left that, I started working on Book My PG again to make it bigger, and it was at that point of time, out of my all of saving, I invested 80% of it into Book My PG in January 2020, and March COVID happened. So I'll tell you something. जब कोविड में जून में all of you were in your house ना, I changed 3 houses in Delhi. So I started from zero again. Like zero means below zero. And from there, I'll say from where I was, I'm at 10 times far more number. Far more number than that. Right? My biggest mistake still was to make that investment, but it taught me one thing. You can grow business जब तक आपका पैसा नहीं लगा business नहीं बना सकता. You see any business which is running, the only business which is running, whether it is Zoho, whether it is Zero, the boat, the money is of the founder first. Okay, and that's what I learned, and that's what is important for us to do.
Sir, as we are talking about that it has been more than 5 to 6 years you built Book My PG. You came with the idea of Book My PG. So, what are the common things people struggle with in your field? Can you tell us?
In my field means as a founder.
As a founder in Unity at tech field or
Yeah, the first problem I struggle with is my hair are not white. ठीक है, so lot of parents have this problem. 25 साल का लड़का कैसे सिखाएगा? ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, this is one of the biggest mistake. You go and tell your parent I'm going to learn placement trading from this 25 years old. Right? You see their reaction. That is one problem. Second problem is India. So we are sitting at the center of India right now, where half of our parents, 75% of our parents are less educated to educated. Right? Like my mom and dad have only done 12th. राइट, सो आई एम 25. सो आप लगा सकते हो आपके पेरेंट्स ने पढ़ाई करी होगी और उनको पता होगा कॉलेज की इंपॉर्टेंस सबसे ज्यादा है, राइट? सो एंड 25% आर द पीपल हु अंडरस्टैंड दैट कॉलेज, अपार्ट फ्रॉम कॉलेज यू कैन गेन मोर, राइट? इफ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट एट अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग एट अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ. मतलब जो भी अमेरिका होके एक बार आया हुआ ना, उसे पता है रियलिटी क्या है, राइट? दोज आर सीन देयर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ द बेस्ट पीपल देयर फ्लिपिंग बर्गर्स इन मैकडी, राइट? दे नो कि हाउ टू स्टार्ट. दिस इज फ्रॉम वेयर योर करियर इज. जब तक 18 साल की उम्र से खुद से पैसा कमाना स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे, कोशिश नहीं करोगे, टिल दैट टाइम यू नॉट गोना ग्रो, राइट? इंडिया में मेरा बेटा काम कैसे कर सकता है भाई? अभी नहीं ना. तो 5,000 के लिए काम कर, 2,000 के लिए नो, मैं दे दूंगा, पढ़ाई कर. यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अभी स्टार्टिंग में पैसे के लिए काम ही नहीं करता. I will say, a lot of people say these are the X number of unpaid internships which you should not do. I'll tell you, pick 5 of those unpaid internships and do only them. Because unpaid में अगर growth हुई, तो जो paid वाले ने शुरू करा था उससे 10x पे होगी. ठीक है? If unpaid internship HR thinks you are capable of getting paid, then that is at least a 10x number of, and it proves your immense potential. Immense potential. Might be you feel कि क्या गाइडेंस है ये, पर यही सच्ची गाइडेंस है. You see anyone who made it to BCG, you question them, ask them, they will tell you the same thing. They will say we started from bare bottom. बहुत बार तो पे करके भी किया, right? But you need to know कि multiple काम होना चाहिए, सीखने को मिलना चाहिए. That is from where work should start. But you know why everyone talks about take paid internship from here because today we live in a world where real requires traction, right? So if I come and say कि unpaid internship ऐसे मिल सकती है, कि पागल हो गए, maybe we don't want to see you, right? You will not like that post. But if someone says you get 10,000 rupees per month internship from here, you will go and click it faster, right? That is the reason why I don't make a lot of reels. I can't talk for likes, right? That is there. I can't do that. होगा ही नहीं मुझसे, अंदर से नहीं आएगा. Yes.
Sir, my next question is also related to this. Sir, I want to ask that बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन था एडटेक इंडस्ट्री में, तो आपने इसी में घुसने की क्यों सोचा? क्योंकि कंपनीज लाइक अपग्रेड, यूडेमी वर आल्सो देयर, तो रिस्की नहीं लगा सर आपको?
As I said, unique solution to an already solved problem. I'll tell you what. I don't see the problem of education sorted even now. Because everyone is in the race of acquiring customers. If you see, our game is not at all of acquiring more customers. An edtech company which comes and says that we will only take 50 students, that is not a game of acquiring customers at all, right? So first, this is the biggest thing which you need to see. EdTech companies are growing thinking that we'll get a multiple of our revenue. I'll tell you how valuations happen. So let's say you did digital marketing, you did X marketing, Y marketing, सब कर दिया, 1000 रुपए कोर्स था, उस पे 2000 रुपए खर्च कर दिए, right? You got a revenue of 1000 crores. Your valuation became 5000 crores. 5x of the revenue made, right? Now the correction has happened. You see from where Byju's from 22 billion came down to 5 billion by one of their VCs. Now what you need to understand there is why that happened. Because they realized that this is not sustainable. This cannot work out in the industry at all. But ये छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात हो जाएगी ना. I come and say that I will defeat Byju's or I'll do something like that. The point is my competition is not any of the edtech companies in the market. None of the edtech companies is my competition. I'll tell you how. Tell me one company in the country which is giving placement training for n number of hours live by a person who has backed the placement and other guests who are working with the company in 1000 rupees with only 50 students in the class, with you being in a WhatsApp group with 500 other students who have backed placement. Tell me one company. If you can name them, I will call them an edtech. If you can't name them, I cannot call anyone an edtech because education is outcome based. स्कूल जाते हैं 10th में मार्क्स लाने के लिए, 12th में जाते हैं बोर्ड्स में स्कोर करने के लिए, CUET देते हैं स्कोर लाने के लिए, कैट देते हैं परसेंटाइल लाने के लिए, कॉलेज आते हैं डिग्री लेने के लिए. क्यों जाते हैं कोर्सेरा पे? सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए. वो गेम नहीं है. सर्टिफिकेट की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. Certificate of a course has no value because if you are sitting in a digital marketing interview and you are presenting I have a course or a certificate in digital marketing, your chances of going down are more. Even if you are presenting a Unity certificate, your chances of going down are more until unless the HR knows me through my LinkedIn, right? But if it goes down, the only way you can move it up is through your skill of answering questions. Every single program which you have designed has 75% practicality and 25% theory. 75% practical. 8% भी आपको ऐसा नहीं लग सकता. Even if you are talking about Facebook ecosystem, that will not happen without making you run an advertisement. जब इंसान अपने हाथ से चलाता है ना advertisement, तो उसे समझ में आता है कैसे चलने वाला, right? When I come and tell you tomorrow you are going to sell this कौन सी bottle, Aqualife water bottle, you have to create a copy to run on sponsored post and we have to create इसकी per lead cost 30 rupees आ रही है, we have to bring that cost down to 3 rupees. बन गई तुम्हारी market value. If a company is spending 1 lakh rupees per day, let's say easy करने के लिए 30,000 per day कर देते हैं. 30 rupees की एक लीड है, 30,000 खर्च कर रहे हैं, कितनी लीड आ रही है? 3000, right? But जो भी है 1000, 1000. If 1000 leads are coming and I reduce the cost to 3 rupees per lead, how many leads I am getting? 10,000. You made your value. Can you do that? That's the question. हम देखते हैं कि 12,000 लोग गूगल ने निकाल दिए. हम ये नहीं देखते कौन से 88,000 को रखे हैं. The time we start seeing कौन रखा है is where your market is now. That's what you need to understand. That is why I don't find any competition. Plus We don't burn money. We are month on month positive right from day one. From when we started, we are month on month positive. Right? That's what it is.
Yeah, sir, we understood how Unity is different from everyone.
So, what has fundamentally changed about your work when you started until now? Can you tell us?
I believe in. I got more humble over a period of time. Like if like a lot of like I am a person who likes traveling more in the metro. I even today I have come by metro, right? So even in the metro station, someone meets me. As I'll tell you a Kashmiri Gate incident. So inside the metro, there were 3 students coming from North Campus. I was in the metro somehow. So every time they were looking like this and looking like this. So that girl was like कि ये रफुल सर है, but वो दूसरा लग रहा है, हो ही नहीं सकता है मेट्रो में कैसे है? This is not possible. Like अच्छा मैं समझ गया है, मुझे पहचान गए. मेट्रो से उतरे, मैं खुद से गया, मैंने कहा हाय, मैं ही हूँ प्रफुल. सर हमने आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लास में वो पढ़ा है. मैंने कहा अच्छा गुड यार. तो मैंने आपको सिखाया ना जाके हर इंसान से बात करते हैं. आप क्यों डर रहे थे? सॉरी सर अगली बार से नहीं होगा. सॉरी टीचर आ गया यहाँ पे भाई दोबारा सेम चीज समझाने के लिए. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज मतलब व्हाट चेंज्ड फंडामेंटली इन मी ओवर इयर्स वाज आई गॉट मोर हम्बल इन माय नेचर. पहले मेरा ऐसे था जब मैंने 2.5 लाख कमाया था बस मैं अरे अब तो मैं अंबानी कौन है ठीक है आई एम द नेक्स्ट. बट आई अंडरस्टूड व्हेन आई लॉस्ट 40-50 lakhs in 12-15 days that life can change any side anywhere and that changed my entire thought process to life and मतलब आप मेरे को 2 घंटे बैठा के मेरे को मैसेज भी करोगे कभी इंस्टाग्राम से ये हेल्प चाहिए आई विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू इफ आई हैव रेड द टेक्स्ट एंड इफ आई हैव replied back to you, I'll help you with that. So fundamentally what changes me is first being humble, second is understanding of people. But I stay silent but I know people very well. So if I'm talking to you, and the understanding of a human is what I have understood better, and that is a very important skill to have. Third is making relations. So I have understood one thing very well, that it is very important to make good relations with people. And that's very important. Though my parents are more concerned when I'll be able to make any relation in personal life, but I don't think so. Right now, it's my work life going, so that's more important to me. So I have understood very well how to make relations with people, how to win people, right? लोगों को जीतना कैसे होता है, वो सीखना.
सर माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी जब आप कॉलेज में थे तो आपने ऑफ कोर्स सोचा होगा शायद कि जॉब करनी चाहिए या फिर डायरेक्ट आपके बिजनेस माइंड ही था आपके अंदर क्योंकि आप बने हो.
चलो इसका आंसर दिस इज व्हाट आई इफ यू वुड हैव गिवन मी अ माइक and I was standing here and speaking to you all rather than an interview kind of a thing. This is what I have told you in the beginning. So let's end it with this. In my 6th standard till 6th and 7th I wanted to be pilot. In 9th and 10th I wanted to become doctor. I did not have the money to go to Kota and study and Agra में अच्छी education उस time पे नहीं थी या होगी मैं नहीं करी. 11th I started with science. 11th some part. 12th I ended with commerce plus maths. Right? Post topping my city I wanted to do CA. I also cleared common law aptitude test and made to a law school. I went to Symbiosis Pune for 2 days for law and dropped it. I came to Delhi to do business economics. Gave a mock test at Jamboree for GMAT, scored a 710 on a mock test. Left back. अब नहीं करना. That's who I am. So you can see a composition of so many things happened to bring me to this. What I'm trying to tell you is start. I never knew that I'll do business. In my first year of college, I was 3rd in the class. Again, I realized ये भी easy है. Right? So मजाक कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं सोचते, ठीक है? मैं थोड़ा सा मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा कूल बनने की, बट मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ आप सबको कि ऐसा नहीं सोचते बिल्कुल भी. What you need to understand is, यार आजकल थोड़ा ना मैं महाभारत देख रहा हूँ, तो मैं आपका समय परिस्थितियों का रूप बदल देता है. मतलब it changes the way of life and that is what you need to understand. As you keep on living, right, You understand you will fall from one place to another, but opposite of what I am telling you from the beginning is don't stop. Right? I'm telling you to start, na? So it is don't stop. I kept on taking what was coming to me one by one. Symbiosis क्या क्यों ड्रॉप करके आया? मेरे को मजा आ रहा था ड्रॉप करके आने में. पैसे नहीं थे यार देने के लिए. 2.5 लाख रुपए की फीस थी. पायलट के पैसे नहीं थे. मेडिकल के कोटा जाने के लिए पैसे नहीं थे. इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए पैसे नहीं थे. दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन कितने में मिला था आप सबको पता ही होगा. और फिर पैसे नहीं थे तो क्या कमाना था? पैसा. साथ में कुछ करना था. बैठे बात करें इससे. If you ask me, Praful, what life are you living? Are you happy with your life? I'll give you this and I'll end my part of speaking. I would love to take questions from the audience if there is any. I will end my part of this session by saying one thing. If you ask me, Praful, are you happy? I'm living my life more than I ever dreamt of today. So मेरे पास अब भी पहले भी कुछ खोने के लिए कुछ नहीं था ना मेरे पास आज खोने के लिए कुछ है. बिकॉज मेरे को जो मैं सोचा था कि मैं 20 साल में नहीं कर पाऊंगा 20 साल में शायद कर लूं उससे ज्यादा है आज. सो देयर इज नथिंग विच आई वांट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ मनी और समथिंग. राइट. कमाने का शौक है भी बनिया हूं. कमाने का शौक है बचाने का भी बहुत है. राइट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा फर्स्ट जब मैं कॉलेज आया था तब मेरा मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर पीजी सब मिला के कुछ था. सेकेंड ईयर में मेरा मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर 30,000 रुपीज था. एंड ट्रस्ट मी आज भी मेरा मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर 30,000 रुपीज मंथ ही है. ठीक है. सेकेंड हैंड गाड़ी चलाता हूँ एंड गारंटी से कह रहा हूँ जितने में खरीदी थी उससे ज्यादा मैं बेच दूंगा. ठीक है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम दिस.
Before ending this session, anyone want to ask any question from sir? Any questions, guys?
देखो क्वेश्चन पूछने से पहले इंसान की 2 प्रॉब्लम होती है. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्योंकि सबसे पहले होता है इतने सारे लोगों के सामने क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछूं. राइट. वो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. मेरा क्वेश्चन सही है गलत है बाकियों के पास है ही नहीं. तो आपका तो बेटर ही है. 0 से 1 बेटर होता है. राइट. मेरी एक ही बात मैं एक ही तरीका बताता हूं. फ्रॉम हाउ आई स्टार्टेड डू लाइक दिस. इफ यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन इफ यू हैव वन क्लोज योर आईज एंड रेज योर हैंड. बाद फिर बोलना तो है. ठीक है. जब लोग दिख रहे होते हैं ना हाथ रेज नहीं होता. पता ही नहीं है कर दिया आप तो बोल लेंगे. इफ एनीवन हैज
सर आई डू हैव
ये तो खुली आंखों से पीछे से. यस बोलिए सर.
sir may I also aspire to become an entrepreneur one day but I'm not able to manage my time. I usually spend my time using phone and gadgets.
अरे यार YouTube पे बहुत वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे इस पे. बट ओके सो I'll just यार you will not be able to give up your phone until unless you have an idea to work on. मतलब आपको चाहिए होता है कि मैं क्यों छोड़ूं फोन. राइट. You need to have a idea कि why should I leave this to do something. So it is not that by इस पे बहुत ideas मिल जाएंगे. Even if you're using phone, use it well. ठीक है. तो इस पे भी ideas मिल सकते हैं आपको. ये भी एक possibility है. But what I will say is usage of time. My strategy is pretty simple. पहली बात तो 6 घंटे से ज्यादा सोना छोड़ दो. If you're sleeping more than 6 hours, you should sleep. I have a biological clock. Anytime I'll speak at 4. I'll sleep at 4 o'clock in the morning. I will wake up at plus 6 hours. ठीक. Anytime I'll sleep, I'll wake up in plus 6 hours. Right. So what I'm trying to say is set up a biological clock over a period of time for yourself. 6 घंटे ज्यादा सोना नहीं है. ठीक है. बिल्कुल भी. Not at all. 6 hours. If you have some problem recommended by doctors, that is a separate thing altogether. उसके अलावा आपको एक चीज करनी है. Every day you need to do something which makes you run your brain. मैंने स्टूडेंट्स को देखा है वो भाग रहे होते हैं दूर. मतलब they don't want to get challenged. Right. You need to understand at this age there is only one thing which should be in your pocket and that is your ego. If your ego is in the pocket and you're ready to lose, right, that is the only time when you will win, right? तो आपको ये समझना होगा कि मेरे को दिन में एक बारी तो कुछ ऐसा करना है जो मेरे को चैलेंजिंग लगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी वो चैलेंजिंग लगते लगते एक से दूसरे तीसरा आप अपने गोल पे पहुंच जाओगे अपने आप. मतलब आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑनेस्टली. मतलब आज भी अगर आप मुझसे बात करो तो लाओ कैट की बुक लेकर आओ, कोई बुक लेकर आओ, कोई क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन देना तो दे दो. ठीक है. What I'm trying to say is I still keep on practicing. देना नहीं मेरे को कुछ भी. I still keep on doing something or I keep challenging my brain with some puzzle, something or the other. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं। मैंने क्या बोला, लाओ दे दो, इतने इस बड़े ऑडियंस के सामने नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, सॉल्व भी तो नहीं हुआ। मेरा ईगो अभी भी पॉकेट में, आपका कहां है ये देखिए।
Sir, it was a wonderful session. Any questions, guys?
अब ये आके गाइस एक काम करते हैं, आपसे तो मैं पूछ ही दूंगा, आप तो वैसे भी ब्लैक कोट में हो, ये बेचारी जनता को हम चांस दे देते हैं, अपनी प्रजा को चांस देते हैं एक बारी, ठीक है। यस, सो गाइस मैं ब्रह्मास्त्र बोल रहा हूँ, मैं अभी आई एम लिविंग इन महाभारत जोन, आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑनेस्टली, ठीक है। सो एक काम करते हैं, यस हम अपनी प्रजा से क्वेश्चन लेंगे, ठीक है। राजा का सबसे पहला कर्तव्य होता है, धर्म होता है अपनी प्रजा की यस सेवा। यस, प्रजा क्वेश्चन पूछे, मैडम ये कह रही है, ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ। हाँ यस, ये आज के क्वेश्चन क्या बोलो।
Sir, so for you, for next 5 to 10 years, what are the industries you think that will be make big?
Logistics.
Logistics.
Logistics will make big if you can find business in that. Second, education will make bigger. You need to find the right ways to bring down. Education will become bigger in the next 15 years, but next 5 years no. Right? So if you have a long-term vision, you can go with education as well. अगर शॉर्ट टर्म विजन है, D2C ब्रांड इज रनिंग वेल, सबको पैसे खर्च करने हैं कोविड के बाद अगले 3-4 साल, सबने ना पैसे बहुत बचा लिए हैं, सबको कुछ। ट्रैवलिंग इज अ वेरी बिग बिजनेस, आई टेल यू व्हाट, इफ यू कैन क्रिएट अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ ट्रैवलर्स, यू कैन क्रिएट अ कम्युनिटी जहाँ पे, अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे को मालदीव जाना है, मालदीव क्यों जाऊंगा मैं अकेले, सो लेट्स से मुझे थाईलैंड में ही जाना है, मुझे बाली जाना है, ठीक है, नहीं मुझे बाली जाना है, इट्स अ सेफ्टी नेट, राइट, आई वांट टू गो टू बाली, राइट। सो मेरे को बनना अकेला, ठीक है, अब मैं कैसे जाऊं? क्या आपके पास एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी है जिसमें 4 लोग हैं जो बाली जाने वाले हैं परसों या फिर 2 महीने बाद? क्या ये एक प्रॉब्लम है? बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। क्या मैं इस पे काम कर रहा हूं? ऑलरेडी कर रहा हूं। तो आपका कंपटीशन आपके सामने बैठा है, बट अगर आप करना चाहोगे तो मैं इसको नहीं करूंगा और मैं आपको सपोर्ट करूंगा। अगर आपको आइडिया चाहिए, आइडिया में बहुत सारे हैं, किसी को चाहिए हो तो, अब ये एक आइडिया था मैंने आपको बता दिया, ठीक है। ऐसा है 1000 आइडिया जो दिमाग में चलते रहे, टाइम की वजह से मैं कर नहीं पाता, ठीक है। तो अब ये आपको आइडिया समझ में आया। ट्रैवल इज अ वेरी बिग बिजनेस, लॉजिस्टिक्स इज अ वेरी बिग बिजनेस, बट ये क्वेश्चन में फंडामेंटल प्रॉब्लम है, मैं उसको आंसर कर देता हूं। फंडामेंटल प्रॉब्लम ये है बॉस कि अगर आप इंडस्ट्री कौन सी ग्रो करने वाली है उसमें बिजनेस बनाने जाओगे तो सभी उसमें जा रहे होंगे, ठीक है। वो कौन से कॉमेडी का शो है ना, बनिया धंधा वो करता है, वो छोटी इलायची का, राइट। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, हाँ गौरव, ठीक है। तो छोटी इलायची ढूंढो, वो छोटी इलायची कौन सी है जिसमें बिजनेस होता है, राइट। जैसे मैंने आपको छोटी इलायची बताई, दुनिया टिकट बेच रही है, मेरा को क्या बेचने को बोला, इंसान पे टिकट किस तरह से पता ही नहीं उसे, वो उसका धंधा खोलो, राइट। फाइंड स्मॉलर थिंग्स इन एनी बिजनेस, नॉट अ टाइम बिजनेस, एनी बिजनेस इज अप मीडियम एट एनी लेवल। मीडियम में हमेशा पैसा सेफ रहेगा, अप में लोग रिस्क ले रहे होते हैं, BCG मैट्रिक्स। सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, अगर आप वो कर लोगे तो बहुत बेटर होगा। थैंक यू।
Sir, one more question. Sir, so for you, bootstrap business is better or funding लेनी चाहिए मतलब, या bootstrap better?
Completely depends on your business idea and money in your parents' pocket. So that is, these are the things you need to understand. I will say, ये question again, मैं आपको correct कर रहा हूँ तो बुरा मत मानना, क्योंकि आपको फ्यूचर में सही चीजें करनी है। तो again, this is a fundamental problem in a question coming from a newbie. एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को ये बात पता होती है कि बिजनेस की इन्वेस्टमेंट लेना ना लेना डिपेंड ही नहीं करता है आपके मन पे, वो डिपेंड करता है बिजनेस पे। बिजनेस की ऑक्सीजन मनी होती है, राइट। क्या वो पैसा पैसे से आ रहा है, मतलब क्या वो अभी का ऑक्सीजन चाहिए क्योंकि पैसा 2 साल बाद आएगा, या फिर आप अभी से पैसे बना रहे हो बिजनेस के अंदर। अगर आप अभी से बना रहे हो और इसको कहीं से भी 100x बिजनेस नहीं बनाया जा सकता आज ही, तो आपको पैसा रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको धीरे धीरे खुद के पैसे से बनाना चाहिए। या जब रेस करना है उससे 3 महीने पहले रेस करना चालू होता है, 6 मंथ बैक, 6 मंथ बिफोर, राइट, अदरवाइज नॉट, ठीक है। अदरवाइज अगर आपको, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यूनिटी का बिजनेस है, ठीक है, अब मैं 50 स्टूडेंट्स लेता हूँ एक बैच में, राइट 2 4 6 खुद से कर लूंगा, तो मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट क्यों रेस करूं? पर मैं क्यों गया था तब भी देखने? आई वेंट टू सी टेस्टिंग माई सेल्फ, मैं भी देखूं मैं कर सकता हूं, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. गॉट इट? थैंक यू.
So thank you for coming today. So I hope all of you enjoyed the session today. Thank you for joining me.